Welcome to this guided meditation designed to help you find peace and calmness in the midst of anxiety. Before we begin, find a comfortable place where you can sit or lie down without distractions. Close your eyes gently and allow yourself to just be in this moment. As we embark on this journey, remember that this meditation is a safe space, free from judgments and external pressures. It is a place where you can connect with your inner self and discover tranquility. Let's start by taking deep, slow breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with air, and exhale slowly through your mouth. With each breath, imagine anxiety and tension leaving your body, making space for calm and peace. Now, focus on your body, starting from the tips of your toes. As I mention each part of your body, send it your love and gratitude. Allow it to relax completely. Feel the relaxation in your toes, your feet, and your ankles. Notice any tension melting away as you bring awareness to each part. Move your focus up to your legs, your knees, and your thighs. If you notice any areas of discomfort, take a moment to breathe into them. With each exhale, imagine the tension dissolving, leaving your muscles relaxed and at ease. As your journey of relaxation continues upwards, bring your attention to your hips and lower back. These areas often hold stress and anxiety. Breathe into them, and as you exhale, let go of any tightness or discomfort. Now, gently bring your awareness to your stomach and chest. Anxiety can often manifest here, so take a moment to observe any sensations without judgment. Breathe deeply into these areas, and with each exhale, release any feelings of worry or fear. Moving to your shoulders, neck, and head, take a moment to relax these areas. Your shoulders, often burdened with the weight of the world, can now feel light and at ease. Your neck, supporting the weight of your head, can now relax. Let this feeling of relaxation flow into your face, softening your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw. With your entire body in a state of deep relaxation, envision a warm, comforting light above you. This light represents peace and serenity. Imagine it gently descending upon you, starting at the top of your head and slowly moving down, enveloping you in warmth and comfort. As this light travels down your body, feel its soothing energy healing every part of you. It brings calmness to your mind and tranquility to your heart. Let yourself bask in the glow of this light, feeling safe, protected, and completely at ease. In this space, you are free from the grip of anxiety. Here, you find the courage to face your fears, the strength to overcome your challenges, and the wisdom to recognize your inner peace. As you continue to relax under this comforting light, let's gently shift our focus to the mind. Anxiety often stems from our thoughts about the past or worries about the future. For a moment, let's bring our attention to the present. Imagine your thoughts as leaves floating on a gentle stream. They come and go, flowing with the water. Observe each thought as it appears, but let it drift away, not holding on to it. This stream is a reminder that thoughts are transient. They do not define us, and we do not need to hold on to them. Now, picture a serene landscape around you. It could be a lush forest, a tranquil beach, or a peaceful mountain. This is your personal haven, a place where you can find solace and respite from the outside world. In this space, you are in control. Here, anxiety has no power over you. In this serene landscape, find a comfortable spot to sit or lie down. Feel the connection with the earth beneath you, grounding you, offering stability and strength. Allow yourself to absorb the healing energy of this place. filling you with a sense of well-being and balance. Take a few moments to bask in the beauty and tranquility of your surroundings. Notice the sounds, the scents, and the sensations. Each element of this landscape contributes to your feeling of calm and relaxation. As we near the end of this meditation, remember that this peaceful haven is always accessible to you. Whenever you feel overwhelmed by anxiety, you can return to this place in your mind, find your center, and regain your peace. Gradually, start to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the energy returning to your body. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes, returning to the here and now. Carry this sense of peace and calm with you as you go about your day. Remember, anxiety is a part of life, but it does not define you. You have the strength and the tools to manage it. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. May you have a peaceful and serene day ahead.